Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how to do an encapsulated nail design on press-on nails. So if you guys want to see and learn how I did it, just keep on watching. So firstly, I'm just doing my basic press-on nail prep, which is taking the shine off the nail tips, then applying some base coat over it. So guys, applying the base coat is a really important step because it prevents the gel polish from peeling off, which makes the press-on nails last way longer. So you guys don't want to forget that. Okay, so I'm done applying the base coat. Now I'm gonna go in with the first layer of the gel polish. So I'm using this nude. I'm not sure what color this is. It's like nude orangish. Yeah, I'm gonna use the gel polish to apply the first layer. Now I'm done with the first layer. I'm gonna apply the second layer, but to only 3 of the nails. So now I'm done with the gel polish. I'm gonna start the encapsulation design. So first I'm gonna go in with a small bead of beauty gel, and I'm gonna spread this all over the nail. Then I'll just kind of move the nail around, making sure the gel is smooth. You honestly don't need too much of the gel, just like a thin layer, sorry. So now we're done applying the beauty gel. We can begin to go in whatever decorations we're using. So I'm using this holographic nail foil, which I already cut into pieces. I'm gonna attach those pieces onto the nail. So just a quick tip, it's better to use decorations that are kind of thin, so they can attach easily onto the beauty gel. The foils I'm using are like pretty thin. So now I'm done applying the decorations. Now I'm going to enclose or encapsulate the decorations with another layer of beauty gel. Just like the first layer, this layer doesn't have to be too thick either. So at this point, I was already falling in love with this set. It was looking so cute. Anyways, now I'm done with everything. I'm gonna apply some top coats to finish everything up. So guys, I'm finished with the nail set and I'm loving how these turned out. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Also comment down below what other tutorials you like to see. Plus don't forget to love yourself because you're fearfully and wonderfully made.